Consider the figure that you see here. In this figure, there are two triangles that I'm able to determine, AQP and XQN. I'm going to attempt to show that triangle AQP is congruent to triangle XQN. To do this, I have set up two columns. The first column will list the statements from these two triangles, and the second column will list the reasons for those statements. First, let's look at line segment AQ and line segment XQ. These are congruent as it's given. That is the first statement. Now, if you look at segment PQ and segment NQ, they are also given to be congruent, and that's the second statement and reason. Looking closely at the figure, we can see that the angle AQP and angle XQN are across an intersection, and so they are vertical angles which are naturally normally equal. And hence, by the SAS rule, or the side angle side rule, the two triangles AQP and XQN are congruent.